Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on animal adaptation. So you can see in our previous video, I already done a video on wildlife analysis, adaptation analysis. So here you can see the environment and then where the animals are going to survive more, and then followed by the analysis. You can see this is our kernel density analysis in different of its own different function. So these are the greater value. So the environment, with different contour value of 0.006 to 0.0084. These are point value of the study area. So let's make it a little more lighter, transparent. So you can see more portions. The habitat where most animals are most likely to be adapted to the environment. It may be of several reasons, but the availability of shelters, lodges, and more coverage than other areas. The animal may like to spend much time in this area than other environments. These are the critical survival zones, like contain the primary water source, high quality of foliage and forest building sites. To watch the part 1 of wide habitation analysis, you can get more understanding of this part 2. In this analysis, we are working on day and night time. So most animals may like to survive in night time than the daytime environment. So you can see the red zone of high density, which is the core area than its surrounding. This represents the animals spending majority of their time, typically almost 80% utilizing the environment. And if you are checking the contour value of this, the interval of the contour value, which also shows the density of the environment. Please do to subscribe, like and share, so be the first notified on other videos. You can see the blending of the species. So you can see the purple area, the purple and the blue zone, which represent area of low density. These are the theoretical ranges. They present transit corridor or area used only occasionally. The purple and blue area, they are area used occasionally. And expanded over time. It is suggests that in this area, I can say that maybe suggests that the animal species adapting by searching further for resources due to climate change or human encroachment. The purple and blue environment. So animal may like to be adapted to an environment of showing indicating red zone of high density, and which is the core area for the adaptation. You can see this is the core area. The purple and the blue environment signify adapting for searching for further resources, maybe due to climate change and human encroachment activities. If the accessibility of road in the environment, the area, the animal may likely spend less time in those environments. You can see the day and the night adaptations. temporary replacements. You can see the grassland, open grassland, green, yellow zone. At night they fit, but retreat to dense forest, elevated terrain, red zone during the day to avoid heat or human activities. To avoid it or human activities. The green and the yellow zone at night to fit. Please subscribe, like and share. So you can choose a color of your choice and make it transparent. Value of 0.006 density. Subscribe, like and stay tuned to our next video. These are the environment where the animal can adapt than any other environment. In the daytime, you can also carry out this analysis on nighttime activities. Thank you.